Welcome to the Fantasy Book Summary Vault, your ultimate guide to the fantastical worlds of literature.
Ghosts of the Shadow Market Book Summary by Cassandra Clare. This book takes us into the world of Shadowhunters through a series of short stories that connect different characters and moments across time. It's not just one story but a collection that fills in gaps and shows how the Shadow Market came to be. The first story starts with Emma Carstairs and Julian Blackthorn, who are two key characters from the later books. They're investigating a mysterious murder in Los Angeles. While trying to find out who killed a warlock, they discover clues about the Shadow Market itself. This market is where Downworlders and Shadowhunters trade magical items, but it's also full of secrets and danger. Next, we jump back in time to see how the Shadow Market was created. We meet Tessa Gray, a young woman caught between two worlds, who plays a big role in shaping this hidden marketplace. Alongside her are other characters like Carstairs and Herondale, whose actions influence the future of the Shadowhunters. One story focuses on Rook, a warlock who's trying to find his place after losing his memories. His journey takes him through different parts of the Shadow Market as he pieces together who he is and what happened to him. This adds another layer to the complex relationships between Downworlders and Shadowhunters. Another tale shows how Clary Fairchild and Jace Herondale deal with threats that come from within their own ranks. They face betrayals and uncover plots that could destroy the fragile peace between humans and supernatural beings. Throughout these stories, we see familiar faces like Magnus Bane, who always brings magic and mischief wherever he goes. His adventures highlight how important trust and friendship are in this world full of shadows. The final story ties many threads together during a big event at the Shadow Market, where old enemies clash and new alliances form. Characters must make tough choices that will affect their futures and the fate of their world. By reading these connected tales, you get a better sense of how complicated life is for those living between two worlds, humans and magical creatures. The stories show moments of bravery, loss, hope, and sacrifice as each character fights for what they believe in. If you enjoy seeing different parts of a fantasy universe come alive through multiple perspectives, this book offers plenty of action and surprises. It's perfect for fans who want more background on their favorite characters or anyone curious about what happens behind the scenes in this magical world. Supporting authors by buying their books helps keep these stories coming, so consider picking up your copy if you want to dive deeper into the Shadow Market's mysteries. Feel free to share your thoughts or recommend other books you'd like summarized
Thanks
next.
for watching. Please like and subscribe for more breakdowns on your favorite fantasy novels.